It has been eye-opening. It pushes you out of your comfort zone, but in a very, very safe and almost just a very easy way, like flowing. You're moving into like a new territory, new realms of understanding and experience, but it's the way it's actually laid out and structured. There's such a safe, sacred container for all the women here. And what I witnessed, I have never seen such transformation. Literally by just creating such a safety. That to me is the ultimate. If you create safe space for people, you'll have transformation.
How are Amrita and Caroline as space holders, as guides, as wisdom keepers and sharers of this work?
Yeah, they are. Well, I adore. I think they are the true embodiment of the goddess. And you know that when you're in their presence, you know they have something special. And it's not that they have it and no one else has it. They have embodied it, they're living it. When I arrived here, like I could feel the presence of the goddess through them. And you just know that's what you want more of. It sounds like a concept, but it really is actually a truth. There is a goddess within each of us. There's a goddess within every woman. And she's just asleep if you don't know she's there. But when you come on this training, this retreat, you really start to get a sense of her. And I really don't think I've ever been in the company of people that could hold such safe space, because you are asked to stretch your boundaries and your mind, but they do it in such a sacred, respectful way. You're actually stepping into it over that threshold before you even know it. Yeah, it's quite beautiful.